lap and make sure we don't have a gardener or somebody out on the track. That's happened before.
Oh yeah, now we're moving.
About half speed of what the race cars are doing. Midgets or sprint cars or anything?
One time, I was telling them the 1 week we're in California, he's in our home state for Speed Weeks in Pennsylvania.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah. But I got to see him win at Michigan 2 years ago.
Oh, cool.
That was fun.
Whereabouts in Pennsylvania you guys from?
Southeast, about an hour outside of Philly.
Okay. You guys go to Pocono?
Oh yeah. Pocono, Dover, Richmond, Watkins Glen. Oh wow.
Now as our asphalt's wore out, the track's 22 years old now.
Yeah.
The fastest groove is right up next to the wall here, so I don't do it on these rides because we don't want to mess around with that. But yeah, so it's pretty impressive watching them run right up next to the wall.
Oh yeah.
California things while you're out here?
Yeah, we're doing the whole Hollywood thing later.
Now, what are these numbers for? 3?
Those are reference points to use for braking or lifting.
Okay.
Basically, the Cup cars really don't brake till they get down into the corner.
Right.
Here, so, but they're using that as a reference point.
Okay.
This year with the new aero package, they might barely be tapping the brakes.
Yeah.
Last year they were doing about 213, 214 entering the corner, so they were having to use the brakes pretty good. But now with this new package, probably a little bit less. The race, I actually, on the pace laps, I drive the Woody, the 48 okay. Woody. I drive it. We usually, AAA will select somebody, one of their either towing companies or somebody that they select, and they'll ride with me in the Woody on the pace laps, and then obviously we pull in. So, yeah, that's usually what I drive. Once in a while, I'll do a Grand Marshal car on the pace laps, but generally it's the Woody.